21 at 5 a.m. in the morning. Kiperlok hadin bangiyoi na kaliang jong kasurkar. Ya kajingkiw jong ki positive cases man kasngi. Batru ya kajingkiw kibayap man kasngi. Na kaliang jong kasurkar menta kajanmit. Hapo kajinglam jong Chief Minister Badon Burom jongi. Ilasim ya kawi karai. Bat kata karai kalong. Banadu lasyai, potra beje janmit, kat kendai terik, ubenai basan arpawai, ngi penbena, ya ka total lockdown, habaro kawe ka East Khasi District, bat kani ka total lockdown, kan beteng, hadu kalai pawai terik, benai me arpawai por san baji menstep. Kani karai kejing sim kejingi kalong. Bang yoi ya kejing bun ki positive cases. Kam tam hapo East Khasi District jongi barokawai. Tingim ban sesu, ban sim ya kani karai, bat kani kalong ka total lockdown kalong ship house ngi, hadin bang iyo ya ka consultation na kaliang jong ki experts, na kaliang jong IDHS bat ka health department barokawai, kumtang ila idon kam, kerki, bandon ke total lockdown hapo ka East Khasi Hills District barokawai. Again, the second point that we have taken today in the review meeting, other districts than East Khasi Hills District, again the government has authorized all the respective deputy commissioners to take appropriate decision, if need be, in line with the decision that the government has taken today for East Khasi Hills District. Tentang kabingilarai di district, ki deputy commissioners, jong kawai pa kawai ke district, should be followed. Vaccination drive, centers and vaccination drive on. Haganigapur, ilaki, hana, bakal lockdown, jongka in East Khasi Hills. So, from the government, we would like to request all the citizens of East Khasi Hills, as well as the residents of Meghalaya, to kindly adhere, respect, and also strictly followed the regulations issued by the government and also the district administration in their respective districts. I would also request all the citizens of the state, please don't take this matter lightly. You need to make sure that you take this issue very, very seriously up to the household level, and don't just ignore the advices and the regulations as well as the notifications issued by the government. And during the total lockdown in East Khasi Hills, we will not allow movement outside or inside the East Khasi Hills district, except, as I already mentioned, those unavoidable and emergency services. So I would advise all the concerned citizens of the state during the 10 days total lockdown in East Khasi Hills, stay wherever you are. Don't please come to East Khasi Hills, especially to Shillong City. Bakin ngubha ya kani kejing penbet kejungi na kaliang ke sarkar, gani kejing le kejungi kalong na ka benta, ka jing bit kejing biang, ka jing shong shingan, ka yeng ka sem, but iway pa iway, inong shong shnong, jong ka East Khasi Hills, bat ru kumju, jong ka jela, baro ka way. Ngis tu ya kejing kaba kibaduk kibasuk kirangli kijuki kibahap ban kamai mensengi batru ban bam no menmet kajing kaba kraw na kamenta jongki ngitip bahaya kata tenrei kabangi kerpat na kaliang jong sarkar ngim ban sesu ban sim ya kanekarai namarkani kadeki isu kajing im bat kajing yap jong uway pa kaway kinong song snong jongi hapo East Khasi Hills bat kumjuru hapo jong gajela mekala barok away ngi kmi lenti bat ngi ngej kem ba hakini ki suppose ngi ka total lockdown kaban kut hadu ka lai puwe trik men step jong une ubnai me ngin sayo i ya ka jing duna jong ki kes ki bami man kasngi hadin ka testing ka baka sarkar ka kondok man kasngi. I would also like to clarify here just for or refresh memory. Those death cases that has happened, SOP has been issued that by the government very, very clearly and very, very strictly that funeral or ritual can be easily held, but with the maximum numbers of persons to 15 only, 15. There were misconception, misunderstanding here and there, where those people who conducted the services of such positive cases deceased. Some people says that the moment you completed the rituality, the moment you completed the funeral services, you need to isolate yourself for 10 days, I think that is totally wrong. Except if there are positive cases among those 15 persons who attended the funeral services. Why I'm saying this? Because strict protocols has been issued, and then PPEs also has been provided to each and every houses of those unfortunate deceased who died out of the COVID-19. Hakading apor nga kwa ru ban pensay na madon ka jiya sutu bakla. Don ka jing ting ka jing smith. Na kibahayeng kibasem kitu kiba mat ya ka jing jiya ka baskosi na une ukanyang jingpang. Hakapor ba ki lek on tep. Lani hakapor ba ki lek niam ki lek rukom. Kum kaburom ya kitu kibayap. Don kiba pensengau tu ba kla kiba ong. Ba hadin ba pila pendep. Ya kini kikam. Sengau bah syong no. Lani isolate no iladi sipos ngi. Nga kwa ban persya na kaliang kosorkar. Ba ngim don kum kata. Ngim ai kin instruction kum kata. Namar klat don lepa ka SOP ka bangi ong ba mdei ban palat ya ka khatsan ngut. Habi village sa Jakatang lani village sa Jakatep. Kilet bat kitu kibalik. Ngila penbiang ru ya kanika PPE. Kamtam kitu kibara ya ka senduk mediap. Jong kitu kibhaying kibasem. Lani kiperlok perjor kibamat ya ke jingjia baka sosi. Ngi penbiang ya kitu kiriam kibet ki PPE. Tenakala daw kim don kam ban kuslai ban ong ba ki hap ban re no ya lidi si pos ngi. Hadin bal adep tep, lani hadin bal pendep, ya kamet ki bakum kita. Tinggal kuat ban pensai ban nakaliang jo kesorkar. Kam don kanu ka ba pinting pinsmate, pi hap ban sumar bahai lade, pi kitu ki kharsan ngut ki balet, ha kitu ki jaga, ken mau tang kawai, ka social distance, ba pinpong ka mas, batru, ya kitu kam tam ki ba hap ban ra, ya ka senduk lani ka media. Ba ki haban pendon kam ya kitu kitir yada lani kiriam yada ka bangi ong ka PPE. And the last point we discussed today again is relating to establishing isolation centers, isolation care centers or corona isolation centers, whatever you say. We have asked Health Department to issue the detailed write-up, the detailed plan, how to set up such isolation centers in the community level. And we would also fervently urge all the concerned villages, the concerned community, di rangba snong, di senjuk kinong sensyar snong, ki seng bahalang, all ki seng niam, all the concerned stakeholders, please join with the government. Please share the responsibility with the government for having such isolation centers in the community level. And notification has been issued, and we have entrusted the respective deputy commissioners in consultation with the BDOs, the field officers, and especially the consultation with the respective Dorbar Snong community committee for setting up of such isolation centers wherever necessary. Kawai pat kebenta kabanya tirjing mut biang menne kalong hakabaya day bat ka jing tau ya kanika isolation centers hakisnong laniki cluster kabangi idon kam ilapha ya ka notification syaporo ki deputy commissioners bakin booth renti batru bakin le ya kanika kam kloy kat bala daka baki ya slok lang ki ya pliu jingmut lang hadu ki block development officers bat kam tam bat ki dorbar snong ki dorbar thau ki rangba snong ki nong kit kam snong ki baper nakabenta kumno bangin don ya kanika center kenang ban pensuk ya kitu ki bayo ya ka positive cases ha ki snong ha ki jaka ki baper bakim da don kam ban ong ban wan sho hospital ban wan shigi district hospital lani ban wan siapo Shillong. Kabak haddu, kabang ako ban ong hani kalong, kamarbam kamardi, ki food grains, ngasngaw bahabag pentip, bakam don kanu kejing duna, yo don ki balong panik, ki bating, ki basmej, ki ba pisa, ki balang yo ki ong bam don kau, lenim don chu ki marbam ki mardi hayo wahat ngakwa ban pentip sa piwi leng ba jong pi ba pin sngaw ba ban pentip se ki pai ba no snong song snong jong ga jela me gala poro koi ba ka marbam ka mardi naka menta ka state ke jongi kabit kabiang ngim dei ban kuslai te hnrei hakane ka por lockdown kabangile ikatul total lockdown hapo east ka sales kabangi ngisanya kolong ha ka district administration bagi dia penbej ha kono kolenti yo don kilong yeng ki bam don kau su lani ki bam don su ki jing bam ki jing di ha po yeng ha po sem jong ki rengkat bat ki bor snong ki bor tau te nakaliang jong ki officers kin saya pentikena ban penbit penbiang ngani da ki jing bot lang bat ki bor snong ki bor tau barok. And the last issue I would like to share here for the information of our citizens of the state, stock of food items is available. You don't have to worry about the stock. We do have the stock. And unlike last year where we had a national lockdown, we did have suspension of train services, suspension of air services, so on and so forth. But this time, let me assure the citizens of the state, you don't have to worry about it because the stock is easily available. These were the issues where we discussed today. So if you have anything to ask, you can ask now. I told you, I used the word total. When I say total lockdown means no shops, be it essential, be it necessary, means total lockdown. That is the meaning of total lockdown. Because all these days, what we did was, few areas were exempted. We still allowed. And people also keep moving out, moving in. But this time, total lockdown from tomorrow night at 8 o'clock has to be in place.
Okay. Dr. Awa, I want to ask you one thing. Yeah. I mean, like, as per your assessment, what is the reason for sudden surge of these COVID cases here in Shillong and why it's not decreasing?
On the increase of the cases out here, it appears that the spread is very fast and there is movement of people, partial movement of people, and this partial movement of people had caused this incoming cases. And moreover, we are ramping up the testing also. That is why we are getting so many positive cases.
But doctor,
To add what our DHS has mentioned, see, that's why today in the review meeting we had all the detailed discussion. Seeing all this surge that still increasing day by day, that's why we have to take this decision, which is very, very harsh, total lockdown in East Khasi Hills.
So what about Ribhoi district? We have also seen in Ribhoi district there is a surge in the number of cases.
That's what I've already told you from the very beginning. From the very beginning, I've told you this decision was taken by the government in East Khasi Hills. But at the same time, we have also again authorized all the respective deputy commissioners to take appropriate decision whether the situation in their district is required for a total lockdown or not. If need be, they can also impose the total lockdown.
Pak Preston, I believe you do have a report from time to time from the respective disease from other districts. I think they brief you. What made it difficult for the government to announce total lockdown in the entire state? We have seen so many districts, there have been containment of the whole villages. There have been health center, PC that have been closed down. What made the government to take a decision to take a call for total lockdown in this entire state?
Lockdown?
In the entire state.
See, as I said to you right now, the surge happens, the epicenter, I should say, the epicenter is here in East Khasi Hills. That's why we have taken this harsh decision that total lockdown has to be in place from tomorrow evening. And then as far as other district is concerned, we have seen the figures, we have seen the record, still manageable. But as I said to you again, decision has been already authorized to all the deputy commissioners to take their decision appropriately wherever necessary. Stay safe.